Ever wondered why you're so attached to certain brands even when there are cheaper alternatives? It's an intriguing question, isn't it? This is the power of brand loyalty, a psychological phenomenon that encourages us to stick with what we know. It's the comfort of familiarity, the allure of status, and the trust we place in these labels that makes them so irresistible. Branding, after all, is far more than a logo, it's a promise. But is this loyalty making your wallet thinner than it should be? Now, consider this. Are the brand name products you're buying really that much better than their generic counterparts? Let's delve into this a bit further. Take your everyday coffee, for instance. A pound of brand X's gourmet coffee might set you back $20, while a generic brand could cost you half that. Moving on to something as mundane as laundry detergent. You might find yourself shelling out $15 for a brand name, while a generic one is priced at around $8. Now that's almost double the cost. And let's not forget about those designer jeans that cost $100, when you could get a similar pair for just $40 from a lesser-known brand. So, what's the deal here? Is it about the quality, or is it more about the brand name and the status it brings? There's no denying that some brand name products do offer superior quality. But the question is, are they always worth the extra bucks? As you can see, the price difference can be quite staggering, but does the quality really match up to the cost? So, do you think you're overspending on brand name products? It's time to reconsider, friends. Let's evaluate the true value of a product, beyond the shiny brand name. Have you considered looking at the actual performance, the durability, or even the versatility? Perhaps it's time to shift focus, to see the bigger picture. Remember, your loyalty should be to your budget first. Don't let the allure of a brand name keep you from making smart financial decisions. It's time to rethink your loyalties.